I'm a skull. Woohoo! That means Halloween tutorial today. I absolutely love Halloween. It's probably one of my favourite seasons ever. Autumn, Halloween, bonfire night, absolutely love it. So yeah, if you would like to learn how I created this copper sort of patchwork skull with a lot of sort of copper flakes, then please keep watching. So we're going to crack on with the eyes. I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the colour NC15. So this I'm just going to put all over my lid. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this colour here from the Moprhe 35B palette. I literally got this yesterday, so I'm hoping it's gonna work and live up to what everyone's been saying. It's supposed to be one of the nicest coloured palettes out there, so we'll give it a go. Okay, so I'm probably gonna do a cut crease today. So we're going to just gently right in to the crease, and I'm just patting it on rather than doing the sort of blended motion, so you just want to pack all that colour on first. Yeah, so I absolutely love Halloween. I went as Khaleesi last year. Oh. It's always unknown numbers that call you, like, leave me alone. Anyway, yeah, last Halloween I went as Khaleesi. Well, Daenerys from Game of Thrones. And I had a housewarming Halloween party here, which was lovely. All my friends and family were here. Needless to say, it was a very messy night. Good night, but a messy one. I'm going to be taking this hot pink here. I just want to diffuse the edges just softly of that crease that we just did. So you just want to go just softly around the edges there. So going back to my MAC concealer, I'm just going to be cutting the crease. So you just want to put it on the centre of the lid, as so, and I'd like just to look up and you should see a little dot on how high to go. So I just want to diffuse the edges of that concealer. So just taking that smudger brush that I used to pack on the pink, just want to gently just go off the edges. And then I'm going to be taking this MAC Dazzling Liquid. These are amazing, so if you haven't got any, make sure you do. I'm taking Bean Time. It's a nice sort of coppery rosy gold, so I'm just going to be popping it just on the centre of that lid. And again, taking that fluffy brush again, just going to diffuse the edges so it blends in nicely. Okay, so to have something similar to this, I am going to be doing my lashes and eyeliner off camera, and then I shall see you in a minute. I have done my lashes and eyeliner off camera and finished other eyes so far. Pretty happy with the look. Obviously not my usual sort of brown smoky eye, but I think it looked nice with the skull we're doing today for Halloween. So I'm going to be taking one of my favourite highlighters. It's a little bit messy because I've had it for a long time, but it's my favourite. This is from the Christmas collection of MAC. I want to say it was either, I don't think it was last year. Last year? If it wasn't last year, it was definitely the year before. This is an old darling. They have brought it back as a new one, sort of regular one, so at least now you can buy it if you like it. It's just really, really lovely gold. So I'm going to put it just underneath the brow bone. So we're going to be now mapping out where our skull is going to be. So I'm probably going to take one of my black eyeliners. So I want to do it sort of as if like it's been pinned up. So I'm probably going to say around here. So I'm just gonna sketch that out. So sort of just above the hairline. I kind of want to do it like a patchwork, so sort of it'd be like I've pinned it up. So I think I might do like a little section just there as well. And I need some just almost like a tape pulling it up, like a lifted mask, we're saying. So yeah, I'm not quite happy with that to start with. Get my hair out of the way. Yeah, excuse my face. Pizzeria has just opened on my face at the moment. It's just that time of the month. Not fun. Okay, so that's going to be my little tape here, pulling and attaching. Okay, we're going to be taking MAC's Studio Fix Fluid in the colour NC15. I'm literally just going to buff this around, oh no, have I got anything left? Buff this around, okay. So taking that, I'm literally just going to press this foundation into my skin. Okay, so far I should have something like this. I'm going to be smoking out the bottom lash line with the same pink and purple that we used earlier. So I'll be taking again my small smudger brush from Spectrum in A12, and you just want to go right underneath, just like that, just to connect both the top and bottom. So I'm just going to set my foundation in place under my eyes. Some mascara to the bottom lashes. My favourite one at the moment that I'm using, I'm sure my sister said to me about this mascara, and I was like, yeah, whatever. I always like really small thin brushes, and this was just, I thought, a bit too thick, but I kid you not. Used it because it was free for 2 in Boots. Come through Boots, and it seems to be my new favourite. I'm mapping out the skull, the fun part. I'm going to start underneath here. So these bits are going to be black, so we'll tidy those up in a moment. So you just want to focus on the teeth. So. Okay, so just something similar to this. This will all be rose gold in between. So that I think I'm gonna keep it like this to start with. And we go get the face paints. So I'm going to be taking, I hope I pronounce this right, mehron metallic powder in the colour copper. Never used this before, so fingers crossed it goes to plan, but I thought I want to be a metallic skull. Scream out glitter metallic, that's the look I want to go for. Okay. So you just want to start filling in everything now. So again, I'm going to go back over the line of the black near the end. Okay, so far, I did it off camera, just took a sponge and just press this copper into my skin. I still need to do a few more details. You also got to do the square up here. So I just want to be filling this in. You can either take black face paint, black eyeshadow, black eyeliner to fill in the dark bits. I prefer to use eyeliner. So, only because it's really, really black. So I'm just taking that illmasqua one that I used earlier to just fill in the gaps. Over this line here. So just diffusing. And I'm literally just going to go over this with a matte black eyeshadow. It could be any eyeshadow, that's just mainly to set the gel eyeliner that I use. I'm going to be taking these copper gold flakes. I got these from Hobbycraft. I kind of want my face to be a bit sort of 3D. Okay, so taking those gold flakes, I'm just dipping it in eyelash glue. You can use eyelash glue or latex, either will work. And I'm literally just dipping it in and just sort of placing it on the skin. So I'm left it like this to start with. We're going to do exactly the same on the opposite side. So this is the final look. I just put on a wig and just done some cool space buns and just added a few more extra flakes sort of here and there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So if you did, please leave me a thumbs up and maybe let me know in the comments below what you're gonna be for Halloween. And until next time, I shall see you soon. Bye, Hannahs!